I hereby commission the journey of the Corps of Discovery to seek out the Northwest Passage so that we may become the most economically stable country in the Americas. I appoint Captain Meriwether Lewis and Captain William Clark to accomplish the harrowing journey.
What do you hope to get out of the land you purchased for a hefty $15 million from France?
We hope to find the Northwest Passage so that we may control all the water routes from the Far East to the West.
How many men are you sending to accompany Captain Lewis and Captain Clark?
45 other brave, rugged men whose skills will be invaluable on this long journey.
How will these men train for this expedition?
They will undergo winter training in St. Louis with our nation's top scientists who will instruct them in guidance, natural science, survival techniques, and Indian relations.
How far west are you planning on sending these men?
We want them to follow the Missouri River to its source and try and locate the Northwest Passage. We expect them to be traveling all the way to the Pacific Ocean.
What will the men be traveling west in?
They will be traveling west in a keelboat equipped with oars, poles, a sail, and a defensive cannon.
If the travelers meet Indians, how will they treat them?
They hope to establish friendly relations with the Indians they encounter. They will bestow gifts upon them and greet them with news that they are now American citizens.
Now, if the men were to get stranded, what would they do and what would you instruct them to do?
In the unfortunate case they do get stranded, we will expect them to fend for themselves, as we know they are fully capable of. We hope they will try to complete the expedition.
How will the Corps get scientific discoveries, observations, and maps back to Washington?
Once a considerable amount of data, observations, and maps have been collected, we plan to send a couple of men back down the Missouri towards St. Louis.
Thank you, Mr. President.